Okay, children, we have already seen about friends. Our friends means your school friends. Apart from that, community workers. Community workers na number society like help panda. Who are all our friends? That is, we have seen about the firefighters. Firefighters where will be there in the fire accident time. They will come for the firefighters along with the fire engine. So, how they will cure the patient. They will take the patients to the hospitals and give the first aid. In that they will first aid they will give in the ambulance. So in that ambulance, that is nurse, doctor, everyone will be there and they will give the first aid treatments and the நேரத்துக்குண்டான treatment given by the nurse, doctors and the helpers, and after that they will go to the hospital and give the treatment from there. And anybody can inform to the fire ambulance and they will come and they will won't ask any questions. You can help the victim. They won't ask any questions, your name or anything. We no need to pay. So freely they can take the patients to the government hospitals and give the treatment. So this we have already seen in the previous classes. Now next one is, this is about the conversation between the mother and the daughter. So next one we are going to see about the civil engineer. Who is a civil engineer and what he will do? The first one we have already seen, and second one is the civil engineer. So any engineer, civil engineer, what will he do? Civil engineer, he will build the buildings, any types of buildings, okay, houses, buildings, markets, and then hotels, then malls, like that. They will keep the civil engineers and they will give the plan and they will do everything. So what building is this? That Samudra is asking, what building is this? This building is built to extend the market. So they are going to build a building to extend the market. Now, அது இன்னும் பெருசா பண்ணலாம். சின்னதா இருக்கிற மார்க்கெட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இடம் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட்னா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி பெரிய இடமா எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணி மார்க்கெட் to build the market. What is the building built for? Why they build this building? She is asking. It is built so as to protect people and traders from sunshine and rainfall. So in an open place we can't put the market because sometimes the rain will come, sometimes the sun it's too hot. So we can't sit and they can't sit and do the market. So to protect from the sunshine and rainfall. Who built this building? Who built this building? A civil engineer built it. He gave structure and design to the building. So this building was built by the civil engineer and he'll give the structure, how to build the market, where to put the entrance and how to go the front side or two-story building, like that he will put the structure and give. Does a civil engineer design a house? Yes, of course, civil engineer can design the house also. Houses, schools, colleges, bridges. So civil engineer builds houses. What all he builds? Houses, schools, colleges. Who builds buildings? Civil engineer who builds buildings. What type of buildings? He will build any type of building, houses, schools, colleges, temples and settlements, shops, factories, everything they will build. So they will give the structure na plan mari podonga, and even for house also they will give the planning. And buildings are constructed using a plan made by a civil engineer. So civil engineer must put the plan and give it to them. Oh, I see. Ma, why are we going through this mud path? This is not our regular route. So they are going along the mud path, means in the road, they will repair the roads. So that time they will dug the road and put the sand outside it, everything, and there will be a mud, So repair work is going on in our usual tar road. So usually the road will be the tar road. So the repair work is going on. So some repair work. Are these roads right for us? In the roads namakaga potangla. Or these road right for us? In the road namakaga potada. Yes, of course, roads for us only. They laid roads for us. Because we have to walk, we have to go, and we have to go the vehicles, everything. The roads are laid by road workers to make travel easy for the pedestrians and vehicles. So, இது இருக்கிறதால என்னது pedestriansனா நடைபாதையில் போகிற பாதசாரிகள், நடந்து போகிற pedestrians and vehicles. So, okay ma, Look at the other side, either side of this way. Also, mother is telling, see the both the sides, not only to see over a side. Why ma? What is special? ஏமா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ ஒன் சைட் பார்க்கும்போது the roads எல்லாம் திக் பண்ணி the sands and all it's coming out and the tar roads and all they are making. Mother is telling, see the other side of the roads also. She is asking, why ma? What's special? Don't you think the green fields are beautiful? This side full of green fields, பச்சை பசேல்னு செடிகள் மரங்கள் எல்லாமே இருக்கும். Yes, they are. Who are the people working here? So the civil engineer will do all the work constructing the buildings and roads also. Okay children, these are the who builds building for us. Okay, now we are going to see next one is about the farmer. What the farmer will do? He will cultivate the crops and bring to the shops, and we, from them only we are getting the paddy, rice, millets, everything. So this side, one other side, they are seeing the, what they are seeing, green fields. Yes, they are. Who are the people working here? So who are all working in the green fields? They are farmers. Because of them, we get food and live happily. So farmers இருக்கிறதால தான் நம்ம வந்து get the food and we are living happily. Mother, yes, bus is, can you see that bus? Again, what she is saying, after that green fields, she saw a bus, that girl. Ma, mother is telling, yes, bus is, can you see that bus? Yes, bus is one of our transport services. So we need the bus every day, day to day life for working and everything. And like firefighters, farmers, engineers, the service of the drivers and conductors are also very valuable. So not only the firefighters, that farmers and engineers, but also the drivers and conductors also very, very valuable. They are the people who carry out the transport service efficiently. So on the people na one place to another place ka transport ka, any place we can go means they are carry out the people transport facilities efficiently. Nalla kondu poranga. Ma, can you hear an unusual alarm? Sometimes something she hears the unusual alarm somewhere near. Yes, the siren. That is unusual alarm is the sirens. So siren, is it a siren? In the noise again there is a siren from the police. Siren sound on the from the police. So on the siren sound also we can see nowadays in this corona period also evenings la they will come the rounds. Appo rounds varumbodhu and the police van la the siren sounds kekkum to get the people to alert, because by 7 o'clock we have to close it, no. So they gave the alert information. So why police is something wrong? So police adu varumbodhu edo something is wrong is there. This is an unusual visit of the police during the evening in the market. So idu vandu or unusual visit. What is that unusual visit in the market evening place? They come here to discipline us. It is crowded at this hour. So at the evening hours most crowds will be there. So many people will come and go. So to protect the people, their properties, and make sure all the rules and regulations are followed by all. So they must follow the rules and regulations. People must follow the rules and regulations, and they must protect the people and their properties. அவங்களுடைய உடைமைகள், ஏன்னா sometimes ரஷ்ஷாக இருந்தாக்கா we can lose, some theft will be நடக்கலாம், some snatching will be there, some everything. So that's why they protect the people. For that only they will coming for the rounds. So that noise is the police siren. Again she is asking, ma, what ma? You once said that our neighborhood Anna is serving the border. What does it mean? So this police alarm is for the to service the people, to protect the people. Police is to protect the people, their valuables, அவர்களுடைய உடைமைகள், valuables, and to see the rules and regulations are followed. Okay children, and next one she is asking, a nearby neighborhood house, one Anna is there, he is working in an Indian border as a soldier. So what she is asking, what does it mean, soldier in a border? A soldier is there. What does it meaning? What is soldier? Who works in a border? ஸோ சோல்ஜர் வந்து நம்ம இந்தியா பாகிஸ்தானுக்கு ஒரு பார்டர் இருக்கும். அந்த பார்டரில் பாகிஸ்தான் சைடில் பாகிஸ்தான் soldiers will be there and Indian side Indian soldiers will be there. They protect the border. They should not come here and we should not also go there. So if any யாராவது ஒரு தீவிரவாதி some bad peoples will come enter na, the Indian soldiers will protect அந்த peoples கிட்டேருந்து bad people கிட்டேருந்து that they will protect us from the border. That's why we are living safely here. No one will enter into our country. He serves in the Indian border as a soldier, fighting to protect the people of our country from the enemies. Enemies na எதிரிகள். ஸோ எதிரிகள் கிட்டே இருந்து சண்டை யாராவது நம்ம நாட்டுக்குள்ளே வந்தாங்கன்னா அந்த எனிமையை சண்டை போட்டு நம்மளை அவங்கள உள்ளே வர விடாமல் நம்மளை பாதுகாப்பாக வச்சுருக்கிறது தான் இந்த சோல்ஜர். Can you understand, children? A soldier is fighting to protect. சண்டை போட்டு காப்பாற்றுறாங்க. The people, our people, our country, நம்ம country from the enemies, எதிரிக்கிட்டேருந்து காப்பாற்றுறாங்க. There are many soldiers, so many soldiers are there who defend our country, sacrificing their own lives. அவங்க defend our நம்ம countryயை காப்பாற்றுறதுக்காக they are sacrificing. they are அவங்களுடைய லைஃப் ஃபுல்லாக அங்கேயே அந்த பார்டர்லேயே அவங்க கழிச்சிடுவாங்க. நாள் முழுக்க ஃபேமிலிஸ் இங்கே விட்டுட்டு என்னைக்காச்சும் ஒரு சமயம் தான் they will come there. ஸோ they sacrifice everything. எல்லாத்தையுமே விட்டுட்டு நம்ம கண்ட்ரிக்காகவும் ஃபேமிலிக்காகவும் they are protecting the people in the border. So these soldiers together form the army of the defense force. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் army. That is the defense force. And in this Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, you might have seen, is formed the Indian National Army. Okay, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And now Samudra, I remember our teacher told us about the army yesterday in the class. Yes, Samudra, do you know the service of the teacher is telling about the army class. So what is telling now? Samudra, ma, can you see that bus? Yes, bus is one of our transport services like firefighters, farmers, engineers. The service of drivers and conductors are also very valuable. So they are the people who carry out the transport services efficiently. So they not only the firefighters, farmers and engineers and the service of the drivers and conductors also very, very valuable. So they are the people who carry out the transport service efficiently. Can you hear an unusual alarm somewhere near? Yes, that is the siren of the police. So something, she is hearing the noise, some unusual alarm. That unusual alarm is the siren of the police. Siren of the police. You know that siren sound. Siren sound that is from the police. Okay. Why police is something wrong? ஏதாவது தப்பு நடந்தால் தான் அந்த police sound roundsக்கு வருவாங்க. Yes, this is an unusual visit of the police. This is a usual visit. எப்போவுமே they will come for the visit during the evening in the market. Why they are coming to the market? They come here to discipline the overcrowded at this hour. So evening time this will be நிறைய கூட்டமாக இருக்கும் overcrowded na. So why they are coming? They protect people. People பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்கு. Why they are protecting? From how they are protecting? எப்படி protect பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா to take properties and make sure all the rules and regulations are followed. So take care of the properties. அவங்க பொருள் எதுவும் தொலைஞ்சு போகாமல் இருக்கா. Some thief will come. Some theft will be happen. திருட்டு போகிறது இல்லை thieves அவங்க கிட்டேருந்து திருடிட்டு போகிறது. So this is called the theft. So to protect the people, that properties, அவங்களுடைய உடைமைகள், sometimes கழுத்தில் இருக்க செயின்ஸ் எடுத்துருவாங்க இல்லை பர்ஸ் ஸ்நாச் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க. And they must follow the rules and regulations கரெக்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறாங்க. Even in this corona period also the police will come. You have seen that. That way they will come for the rounds by 7 o'clock because in this time we have to close the shop. In the time 7 o'clock shops are closed பண்ணுறோம். So they will give an alarm. So you have to close the shop and go. And the rules and regulations are followed by all. எல்லாரும் கரெக்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறாங்களான்னு பார்ப்பாங்க. This is the work of the police. in the market during the evening time. This is the sound of the siren, unusual alarm siren. Again she is asking, Ma, what? Mother is asking. Samudra is asking, you said once that our neighborhood Hanna is serving in the border. What does it mean? So border na, நம்ம India and Pakistan க்கு நடுவுல border. So Pakistan soldiers and Indian soldiers will be safeguarding both their countries. So Indian soldiers என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? He serves in the Indian border as a soldier fighting to protect people. So சண்டை போட்டு people and the country, நம்ம peopleையும் countryயும் பாதுகாக்கறாங்க from the enemies. யார்கிட்டேந்து? From the enemies. He is a soldier. Can you understand, children? So a soldier is fighting to protect the people of people of our country from the enemies. எதிரிங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நம்மளையும் நம்ம கண்ட்ரியையும் காப்பாத்துறாங்க. There are many soldiers who defend the country. நிறைய soldiers அந்த மாதிரி நம்மளை பாதுகாக்கறாங்க, டிஃபெண்ட் எதிர்த்து பாதுகாக்கறாங்க. Sacrificing their own lives, தங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கையவும் தங்களுடைய ஃபேமிலிஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் தியாகம் சொல்லுவாங்க. சாக்ரிஃபைசிங் எல்லாத்தையும் விட்டுட்டு அங்கேயே தான் இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க அந்த பார்டரில் தான் மழையோ வெயிலோ குளிரோ பனியோ, they have to fight. These soldiers together form the army of the defense force. ஸோ இவங்க எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு ஆர்மி தான் டிஃபென்ஸ் ஃபோர்ஸ். ஸோ நேதாஜி சுபாஷ் சந்திர போஸ் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் அவர் லீடர், இஸ் a great Indian fighter. அண்ட் நம்ம சுதந்திரம் வாங்கி கொடுத்ததுக்கு ஒன் ஆஃப் த காரணமும் இவர். He formed an Indian National Army. Okay, children. Now the next one is, okay, the soldier is to protect people and our country. People and our country. எப்படி பண்ணுவாங்க? ஃப்ரம் அவர் யார்கிட்டேருந்து காப்பாற்றுவாங்க? ஃப்ரம் அவர் எனிமீஸ். ஸோ தே ஆர் த சோல்ஜர். அண்ட் தென் ஆஃப்டர் திஸ், நவ் ஐ ரிமெம்பர் அவர் டீச்சர் டோல்ட் அஸ் அபவுட் த ஆர்மி டே yesterday in the class. Now teacher, she is talking about the teacher. A mother is telling, Samudra, do you know the service of the teacher is a noble one, very very noble one, that enlightens us. நம்மளை வந்து நம்ம ஞானத்தை கொடுக்கறது, and then with knowledge, அறிவு நல்ல விரிவடைய செய்கிறதுக்கான செய்திகளை சொல்கிறது. With knowledge, values, and helps people to become a good citizen. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல எண்ணங்கள், நல்ல சிந்தனைகள், நல்ல பழக்க வழக்கங்கள், நம்ம என்னென்ன படிக்கணுமோ அதை நல்ல வழியில் சொல்லித்தரது, டு மேக் எம் எ குட் சிட்டிசன். தட் இஸ் த மெயின் ஜாப் ஃபார் த டீச்சர். ஷீ என்லைட்டன்ஸ் அவர் நாலேஜ். Knowledge and helps people to become, enlightens our knowledge and to become a good citizen. Okay dear, we have come to the main road. Hold my hand. So இப்போ நம்ம மெயின் ரோடுக்கு வந்துட்டோம். So you can hold my hand. Ma, who is standing in the middle of the road? Some people is standing in the, one man is standing in the middle of the road. Oh, he is a traffic policeman. So traffic policeman, what he will do? He will controls the traffic and make sure that people should come in a proper way. Traffic policeman. Traffic policeman is who controls traffic. Why is he standing there? Why the traffic policeman is standing there? His work is very important. அவருடைய வேலை வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Because he controls the vehicles coming from all the sides. So all the four sides the vehicle will be coming there. So he will control and direct the vehicles to go this way and to protect the pedestrians. Pedestrians are those are coming on the walking on the roads. Pedestrians, பாதசாரிகள். Can you understand, children? So traffic policeman is to control the traffic and also to protect the pedestrians. Ma, look at the gigantic building over there. Such a big gigantic building is there. What building is that? That is the court. Court na theriyum. இந்த தப்பு செய்கிறவங்க திருட்டு பண்ணுறவங்க and some any cases சொத்து தகராறு நிலத்தகராறு what all will be happen ஏதாவது கேஸ்னால் they will go to the court only. Okay, court, what is that? Here all the problems are solved as per the laws and rules of our country. So court, in the court who will be there? Judge will be there. Okay, court means all the problems, court la all the problems solved by the rules and law, rules and laws by the judge. Okay, by the judges. Okay children, so court is all the problems are solved as per the rules of our country and judges treat all men with in various cases. They protect our rights. So judges treat enna பண்ணுவாங்க எல்லா மென்னோட கேஸை எடுத்து they will give the justice, proper justice na தீர்ப்பு வழங்குவாங்க, கரெக்டான தீர்ப்பு சொல்லி according to the rules and laws. And the laws la enna rules irukudho adhu prakaram they will give the justice in various cases. They protect our rights, நம்மளுடைய உரிமைகளை அவங்க பாதுகாத்து இது பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகேயா? ஸோ ஜட்ஜ் இஸ் கோர்ட்டில் யார் இருப்பாங்க? ஜட்ஜஸ். ஸோ they will solve all the problems solved by the rules and laws. Ma, now I understand this, all these problems who came across today are working for us. I feel very proud of them. So all these people, இப்போ ஒவ்வொருத்தரையாக பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, firefighters, then civil engineers, then the traffic policeman, and then that soldier, and now the traffic policeman, everybody, and now judges. So she is telling that ஒவ்வொரு பீப்புளும் நம்மளுக்காக நம்ம நாட்டையும் நம்மளையும் பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்காக எவ்வளோ ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. டுடே கேம் அக்ராஸ் இவங்களை பற்றி இன்றைக்கி நான் ரொம்ப நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுட்டேன். ஐ ஃபீல் வெரி ப்ரவுட் ஆஃப் தம். ஸோ நம்ம இதில் த சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட் இஸ் த கார்டியன் ஆஃப் த கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன். நம்ம சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட்டு தான் இதுக்கு கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன். அண்ட் சமுத்ரா, டூ யூ ஹாவ் எனி விஷ்? வாட் வுட் யூ லைக் டு டூ இன் யோர் லைஃப்? ஸோ சமுத்ரா, உனக்கு ஏதாவது ஆசைகள் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு மதர் கேட்கும்போது, எஸ், ஐ ஹாவ் எ விஷ் தட் ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஸ்டடி வெல் அண்ட் சீக் எ குட் ஜாப். ஸோ வாட் ஷி இஸ் டெல்லிங், நான் வந்து நல்லா படிக்கணும். ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஸ்டடி வெல். எவ்ரி சில்ட்ரன் ஓவரால் இயர் தி ஆர் டு ஸ்டடி வெல் அண்ட் சீக் எ குட் ஜாப், நல்ல ஜாப். At the same time, I would like to look after our garden and field with care. So நம்ம கார்டனையும் ஃபீல்டையும் நல்லா வந்து அவங்கள பார்த்துக்கணும். At last we have reached our home dear. Please open the door. Sir, mother is telling, okay, last நம்ம வந்து வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டோம். So we have reached our home dear. Open the door. Okay. So now. So what is the, just a recap children, our friends, who are all our friends? Community workers, that are also friends, teacher, doctor, engineer and police. And who saves people? Firefighters saves people. So just go through this recap. Who are all our friends? Teacher, doctor, engineer, police, working for us. Okay, they are all working for us. And firefighters save the people and properties from fire. Firefighters save people. Firefighters save people from fire. Okay. And then civil engineer, he will construct the building. The roads are laid by the road workers and we are getting the food from the farmers. Food வந்து farmers. Soldiers, soldiers protect our country. Can you understand, children? Soldiers protect our country. And we should be proud of the people who served for us and also for our country. Soldiers are protecting our country. Soldiers protect our country from the enemies. So we should be proud of these people who served for us and also for our country. So teacher, doctor, engineer, police are all working for us, and firefighters to save the people from the fire, and civil engineer construct the buildings, and food by the farmers, and soldiers to protect our country. Okay, children. And teachers enlightens your knowledge. Enlightens, okay, enlightens our knowledge. Then doctors to save the lives of the people. Okay, children, now you know these are all our friends. Okay, now shall I ask you the question? Now tell me, dash is the life-saving treatment which is given before the actual treatment to a victim. So, victim ka accident achina, before the treatment we will give. What is the treatment that is? That is called the first aid. Nurse assists the dash. Who will assist? Nurse வந்து யார் கூட இருப்பாங்க? Nurse assists the doctor. Okay, nurse assists the doctor. So, even she will inject the patients and she will stitches the wounds. So, nurse is also an important person. She will assist the doctor and take care of the patients, and she will give the stitches போடுவாங்க sometimes காயத்துக்கு மருந்து போடுறது and injection கொடுக்குறது and tablets கொடுப்பாங்க, and they will so kindly they will talk to us. Nurses na patients get so kindly they will talk, so the patients also will get cured easily. A nurse assists the doctors, and dash is giving justice to the people in various cases. Justice not who will give the justice? Judge will give the justice. Dash enlightens us with knowledge. Enlightens yaar namalku arivu kudukranga? Teacher. So dash enlightens our knowledge. And road workers what they will lay? They lay roads only. Okay, shall I ask a true or false? A tailor stitches the clothes. Is it true? Yes, that is true. And electrician fits pipes and tubes. Electrician fits pipes and tubes? No, that is wrong. Electrician fits only the electrical items, that is fan, light, television, AC and all. So that is false. Traffic policeman controls traffic. That is true. And doctors protect people and properties? No, doctors will protect the patients. Police only will protect the people and the properties. So, doctors protect people and the properties. That is false. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. That is true. Now, so now we have learned this lesson. Okay, doctor, what she will have? The stethoscope. Teacher can have blackboard. Then firefighters, they will be in the fire engine. Postman in the, he will collect the postal letters. He will collect the post letters. Okay, children. Now tell me now, who am I? Okay, who am I? I dash cloth. I stitches cloths. I am a tailor. I paint a wall. Who is he? I am a painter. Okay, I stitches cloths. I stitches cloths. Who am I? I stitches clothes. Who am I? I am a tailor. Okay, children. Next, I paint a wall. I paint wall. Who am I? Painter. I fix pipes and taps. So who will fit the pipes and taps? Plumber. Then I guard. Guardனா வீட்டில் காவல்காரங்க இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா? I guard houses, பாதுகாக்கிறது. Houses and people. I guard houses and the people. Who is he? He is a watchman. I repair electrical appliances. I repair electrical appliances. So who is he? He is an electrician. Okay, children. So I stitches clothes, tailor. I paint a wall, painter. I fix pipes and taps, plumber. I guard houses and people, watchman. I repair electrical appliances, electrician. Okay, children. We will see in the next class.